Hi there, David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's Home Tip Tuesday is to locate your home's water shutoff valve. Now, if you're in a home, chances are that the shutoff valve for your water is located in the basement. It's a ball and lever joint, which is kind of turned this way or this way. To shut off the water valve, it needs to be perpendicular to the ground. If it's running parallel, that means it's running the same length. That means the water is still on. And if you're in a condo, the water shutoff valves are usually located in one of your bathrooms. Usually it's the main bathroom, and it's located right underneath the sink. You just kind of pop off a panel. Now, why is this important? If you are in a condo and there's some sort of flood happening, you need to shut off all the water, you really need to get in there and turn off all the water so you won't add to any further damage. For houses, that's the same situation, but there's also a situation if you are leaving the home for, in the winter time and you're scared of the pipes freezing. What you need to do is go shut off that water, and you also need to bleed out all of the sinks. Just turn on one of the taps and make sure all the water is drained out. That'll help prevent a lot of damage. Well, I hope you like the tip for today. Have a great day. Bye for now.